And this is for you only if you meet at least one of the following criteria. Let me remind you, okay? If you want to add an extra $2 million on your net worth in the next 2 years, you want to make at least 5K per month in recurring passive income, you want to start an AI SaaS startup, you want to add an AI component to your business to make it worth more, you want to own a product that is scalable and does not require inventory, manpower cost, and office, or you want to impact more people without costing more of your time and effort, okay? Now, if let's say you can build AI for other people, right? Let's say if 1 month, okay, you just close 1 client, that's $6,000 a month, okay? If you close 10 clients, how much is that per month? $60,000 per month, 10 clients, okay? What would you do with $60,000? Like, can that pay a lot of bills? Like you know, life would change. And like the reason why we can do that is because the heavy lifting is already done. That's one, okay? So it's already done for you, right? And the second reason why you can do that is because the perceived value of AI is so high. Okay, the perceived value of building a custom AI for someone is worth 50K or 100K, and charging them 6K will be cheap to them. Make sense? Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, now, so okay, this is how you build your own AI. Okay, I'm going to show you how to build an AI chatbot in less than 7 minutes. Okay, awesome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI chatbots. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can do it really, really easily, really, really fast. It probably takes less than 10 minutes to build your own AI chatbots. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. Okay. So step one, you're just going to click create from scratch, and then they ask you to create a story. Okay, but you don't need to create a story. You just have to press go back so that you go to the home page of this bot. Okay. Then this is where you edit the bot. Click on the bot. Okay. Then you click on settings and you click on open AI. Okay, click on settings, click on open AI. Over here, you put your GPT key. Okay,